We're going to run your test today in a C5070. And here's the containers you sent. And this is a 50 horsepower unit. It's a 3-knife rotor on it. And it'll do about 1,500 pounds an hour. We have a 6mm screen on this unit. And what we'll do is I'm going to stop the video, we're going to start the machine, and then we're just going to load your 6 bins into here so we can show you how it works. To start this unit, it's very simple. First thing you do is you turn on the blower, which is right here. This is a lab unit, so I don't have it hooked up to a main blower system. What we'll do is we'll just vacuum it out once it's complete. Then to start the granulator, you press here. This also has a conveyor control on it if you want to put a conveyor on this unit. Maintenance, if you want to be able to open the hood and do a lot of things like that, you just turn it to maintenance. Allows you to work on the unit while there's still power to it, or you can just turn it off. But the maintenance is also used to unlock the safety here on the door. There are electric locks, and that prevents anyone from getting inside the machine while it's active. So here, turn the granulator. Granulator's going, okay. I took off the second screen on there, which we'd have normally on there. I took it off just for the video purposes so you can see what's going on. Okay, we're gonna load the next one. Machine's having no problem. We'll load the next one. This is your amp meter. This is a 50 horsepower unit, so when she's really working hard, she'll be above 60, but it's not really working hard with this material. And again, we have a 6mm screen on it. When you go with a smaller screen, you get better throughput. Problem processing. I need to look at the amperage again. Not a big issue. And then the final one. We ran your 6 containers in about 2 minutes, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the machine run out, and then I'll show you the results of the material. Here's your material. It ran real simple. Again, we used a 6mm screen, and wow, came out great. No heat, good cuts, very nice. What we'll do is we're going to bag this up and we'll send it back to you for your review. You know, you might want to look at this, and if you went with an 8mm screen, you'll get even more throughput through the machine. But this unit in 2 minutes had no problem doing 6 of your containers that you sent to us.